How to use tablet mode on Windows 11. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial I'll show you guys how to use the tablet mode on Windows. So let's just jump right in. So if you have a laptop that you can flip or turn into something like a screen, or if you have touchscreen, you can turn it into something like a tablet. To do that, you're going to have to change the display orientation. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your settings menu. Go ahead and click on settings and open it up. After that, you're going to have to find your display settings. Head over to the system tab and go to display. Once landed on the display page, you will see your screen, scale, and layout. So just scroll down until you find the display orientation. Right now it's set to landscape, which is default, but if I just go ahead and click on the portrait, what it does is it will go ahead and change my display setting. So let's say if I want to keep the changes, I'm just going to click there. And now my screen has been turned into portrait mode. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and change it back. So let me just go ahead and change it to the default settings. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this display orientation again. And finally, from here, what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and change it to portrait and back to landscape. So let's just change it back to landscape and then keep changes, and we're good to go. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.